The first thing that I did was go in and measure my current headboard. I actually really liked the size of this headboard in the space, so I used it as my guide. And then I took the wood to Lowe's and they cut it for me. Once I got home, I started sanding down all of the wood. The next step was staining. I used this coffee gel stain, and it is a really, really good rustic warm color that isn't too dark as long as you stick to maybe 1 or 2 coats. This step is totally optional. I actually stained the center of the headboard. This is going to be covered up with wallpaper, but I did this because I didn't want to be stuck with the wallpaper. My style is always changing, and so I wanted to make sure that if I wanted to, I could take off that wallpaper and still have a good headboard. And now to put this piece together. This is actually a really, really simple piece. It basically has 4 elements: the plywood, the legs, the top and bottom, and then the header. And this center panel is where we're going to be using our peel and stick wallpaper. Starting in the top corner, I am just peeling back the paper and sticking it onto that corner. And then I'm just smoothing it down with a putty knife. You could always just use a credit card or anything flat that you have on hand. And this was actually a really simple process. It just took a little while. You just have to have patience. I just worked in sections and smoothed it out, pulled back, smoothed it out, and it came together really quickly. Then once you get to the edge, you just use a box cutter and cut the excess off. And then I'm using this putty knife to push the edge into the wood. And that is it. It was a very simple process, and the bedroom looks amazing. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I hope this shows you how simple this process can be and hopefully inspires you to build your own furniture. I will see you in my next video.
Do you approve, Castiel? You like it? You like your new bedroom? Good.